For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a sweet shop is a flavorful way to enter the food industry. Whether you envision a traditional candy store, a boutique dessert bar, or a colorful confectionery brand, the journey involves more than just sugar and charm. By using free AI tools effectively, you can streamline planning, branding, marketing, and operations without expensive consultants or designers. This guide provides a clear, step-by-step roadmap to help you start your sweet shop using free AI, complete with recommended AI tools and prompt suggestions to maximize your productivity and creativity. Step 1. Define your sweet shop concept. Your first step is deciding what type of sweet shop you want to open. Will you focus on chocolates, handmade candies, traditional sweets, imported confections, or a fusion of baked goods and candy? Use ChatGPT to refine your ideas. AI tool, ChatGPT. Function, idea development, market research assistance. Prompt, help me brainstorm different sweet shop business models. Include unique selling points, target customers, and potential menu categories for each model. By feeding ideas to ChatGPT, you'll generate multiple concepts. Once you've selected one, you can go deeper into branding, target demographics, and how your product stands out. Step 2. Conduct market research. Use AI to gather data about your local or online market, pricing trends, and customer preferences. While AI can't replace actual field research, it helps generate the questions you need to ask and analyze existing public data. AI tool, ChatGPT plus Google Sheets with GPT integrations or third-party plugins. Function, industry insights, customer persona creation, competitive analysis. Prompt, create a customer persona for a local sweet shop in your city. Include age, spending habits, flavor preferences, and buying behavior. Then prompt, list the top 10 competitors in the sweet shop industry in your area. What are their strengths and weaknesses? Use this data to see where your shop can fill a gap. Step 3. Write a business plan. Now it's time to write a business plan. A solid business plan includes your mission, vision, target market, product offerings, pricing, funding needs, and financial projections. ChatGPT can create full outlines and drafts. AI tool, ChatGPT. Function, business plan creation. Prompt, write a detailed business plan for a sweet shop business focused on handmade candy and imported chocolate. Include executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, operations plan, and financial forecast. You can revise and customize the output, then use Canva, free, to make a professional PDF for presentations or investor meetings. Step 4. Name and brand your sweet shop. Your brand is how customers will remember you. You need a catchy name, a recognizable logo, and consistent design elements. You can use AI to generate names and even design visuals. AI tools, ChatGPT, for brand naming and tagline generation. Prompt, suggest 20 sweet shop business names that are fun, unique, and relevant to handmade candy. Include slogans, Loca, free trial, or Logo Mock for logo design. Canva, for social media kits and brand templates. Use Canva to design menus, signage, packaging labels, and social media banners with pre-made templates. You can input text and ask ChatGPT to help with the tone. Step 5. Plan your menu and pricing. Designing a product menu that balances profitability with customer demand is crucial. You can use ChatGPT to help create categories and estimate ingredient costs. AI tool, ChatGPT. Function, menu planning and costing. Prompt, help me create a sweet shop menu with 10 best-selling items, categorized by candy, chocolate, and baked goods. Include a short description, estimated price, and production cost for each item. You can then enter this data into Google Sheets to build a basic costing spreadsheet. Add a 30 to 50% markup to set profitable prices. Step 6. Choose a location or set up online. You'll need to decide whether to run a physical store, an online shop, or both. ChatGPT can help you weigh pros and cons based on your budget and goals. Prompt: compare the pros and cons of opening a physical sweet shop versus starting an online sweet shop in your city. Include cost, reach, customer experience, and setup time. If you choose online, use free tools like Shopify's free trial or Square Online to build your store. Canva and ChatGPT can help create banners, product descriptions, and promotional copy. Step 7. Handle legal and licensing requirements. Starting a sweet shop legally involves registering your business, getting a food license, and meeting health codes. While AI can't file documents, it can guide you through the process. AI tool: ChatGPT. Function: licensing guidance. Prompt: list all legal requirements and licenses needed to open a sweet shop in your city/state/country. Include food safety laws and zoning restrictions. Once you know what's needed, visit local government websites to begin the process. Step 8. Develop a marketing plan. A powerful marketing plan helps drive traffic. With AI, you can create ad copy, plan campaigns, and even schedule posts. AI tools: ChatGPT for strategy, campaign ideas, and copywriting. Canva for visuals. Buffer free tier for social media scheduling. Prompt: create a marketing plan for a sweet shop targeting families and children. Include promotions, social media strategy, content calendar, and referral incentives. Follow up with: write 10 Instagram caption for a sweet shop's grand opening with emojis and hashtags. This will give you ready-to-go content and a framework for ongoing marketing. Step 9. Set up operations and staffing. As your shop gets ready to launch, use AI to draft training guides, create customer service scripts, and set workflows for daily operations. AI tool: ChatGPT. Function: SOPs, standard operating procedures, HR materials. Prompt: create a training manual for sweet shop employees that includes daily tasks, hygiene standards, customer interaction, and emergency protocols. You can also ask ChatGPT to help create job postings, interview questions, and onboarding materials. Conclusion: starting a sweet shop business can be a delightful and rewarding venture, and by leveraging free AI tools, the process becomes faster, more creative, and far more affordable. From concept creation and branding to operations and marketing, tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Shopify's free services can guide you at every stage. The most successful businesses are those that adapt and grow. So continue using AI to test new product ideas, improve customer experiences, and keep your operations running smoothly. With your passion and these intelligent tools, your sweet shop can become the go-to treat destination in your community or beyond. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.